In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Flowchart in Figma. We'll start from a blank browser, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a clean, customizable flowchart inside your own Figma project. First, open your web browser and head to figma.com. Once you're there, look for the community section. The community is a huge library of free resources shared by designers, templates, wireframes, icon packs, and yes, ready to use flowcharts. It's the fastest way to get high quality building blocks without starting from scratch. Inside community, use the search bar and type flowchart. You'll see a variety of templates ranging from simple shapes to full-on diagram kits with connectors and labels. Take a moment to preview a few options. Look for templates that match your style and complexity needs. If you need clear connectors, consistent shape styles, or specific annotations, check that the preview shows them. When you find a template you like, click to open its page, then select Open in Figma. This adds the file to your drafts so you can interact with it directly. After it opens, you'll see one or more pages or frames containing example flowcharts and assets. Select the design elements you want to use. This can be an entire frame or just specific shapes. You can drag to marquee, select multiple elements, or click the frame name in the Layers panel to grab the full set. Copy your selection using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now switch to your own project file in Figma, the place where you want the flowchart to live, and paste with Ctrl+V or Command+V. Everything should drop in with the same fonts, colors, and spacing as the template. From here, customize. Double-click any label to change the text, resize shapes by dragging their corners, and move elements around using the smart guides so lines snap neatly. If the template includes connector arrows, you can extend or reroute them to reflect your logic. Keep spacing consistent to make the flow easy to scan, and align elements so your diagram reads left to right or top to bottom, whichever suits your process. A few quick tips to wrap up. Keep only the pieces you need to avoid a heavy file, rename frames and groups so your layers stay organized, and adjust colors and typography to match your brand for a polished look. That's it. Go to figma.com, open community, search flowchart, choose a template, open it in Figma, copy what you need, and paste it into your project. You now have a professional flowchart ready to present or iterate.